Hello, this is Kozue from Healing Sanctuary.
In this meditation, we will gently cleanse the emotions stored in your cells, as well as the memories passed down from your ancestors. Recent studies in neuroscience and epigenetics show that emotions can be remembered within our cells and even influence future generations. In Native American teachings, it's said that the actions of our ancestors can affect up to 7 generations ahead. Perhaps our own cells quietly inherit these feelings and memories as well. As all the cells in your body are gently purified, the heaviness, tension, and hidden fears that have built up over many years quietly begin to dissolve. Your body will feel lighter, your mind calmer, and you will experience a deeper connection to your true self. By listening until the end, you will surely feel this transformation within you. To fully experience this cleansing, try listening to this meditation every day, starting today if possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin this journey, bringing light to yourself and to every one of your cells through deep, gentle breathing. Close your eyes and begin to breathe slowly. Inhale, sending fresh oxygen into your cells. Exhale, releasing anything your cells no longer need. With every inhale, the inner space of your body grows brighter. With every exhale, old emotions and attachments gently melt away. Your cells are already receiving everything. Trust the wisdom of your body and allow the process to unfold. With each breath, your whole body relaxes more and more. Now, we begin cleansing each of your cells. First, let us invite in the healing energy that is right for you. Silently repeat these words in your heart. My true essence, my higher self. Please receive the healing energy that is best for me right now. At the crown of your head, feel a beautiful light energy, shining like the sun. As you continue this meditation, know that you can always replenish this healing energy at any time. Now, from the top of your head, let's cleanse each part of your body with this healing energy. Silently repeat. Cells of my head, thank you for carrying so many thoughts for me. Each cell in your head fills with healing light. Feel your brain soften and relax. The energy now flows into your eyes. Cells of my eyes, thank you for all you continue to see. The cells deep inside and around your eyes are purified, and the muscles gently loosen. Your eyes are filled with healing light. Next, your throat. Cells of my throat, thank you for expressing the voice of my heart. The vocal cords soften, and the voice you once held back as a child begins to heal. It may even be the voice your parents or ancestors once swallowed. As the throat cells are cleansed, those silenced voices return to light. The energy flows into your shoulders. Cells of my shoulders, thank you for always supporting me. The cells of your shoulders are purified. The tension eases, and heaviness gently lifts away. The responsibilities carried by you and your ancestors are quietly released. The healing energy flows down both arms, into your hands and fingers. Cells of my arms, my hands, my fingers, thank you for the gift of touch. The cells from your arms to your fingertips are now purified. The energy of touching, receiving, and giving all flow with healing light. The healing energy flows into your lungs. Cells of my lungs, thank you for bringing me breath, the gift of life. Your lung cells are cleansed. Stored sadness and loneliness gently dissolve. And with each release, they transform into joy. The healing energy flows into your heart. Heart, thank you for beating as the command center of life. Your heart is purified. Deep wounds are soothed. And from this moment forward, loving and being loved. The energy flows into your stomach. Cells of my stomach, thank you for turning food into the energy of life. The stomach cells are cleansed. With every release of stored anger or helplessness, a quiet confidence begins to rise within you. The energy flows into your belly. Cells of my belly, thank you for absorbing nourishment and gently letting go of what is no longer needed. Your belly cells are purified by healing energy. Unmet needs and hidden feelings from childhood rise into the light. Feel the sense of safety and excitement spreading deep in your belly. The energy flows into your legs. Cells of my legs, thank you for carrying me to the places I wish to go. All the cells in your lower body are purified by the healing light. You feel grounded, rooted to the earth, filled with the energy to live fully in this moment. Now, take a deep breath in once again. Replenish the healing energy through the crown of your head. As you exhale, send your gratitude to every single cell in your body. Feel your cells resonating together, gently aligning you from within. Now, all 37 trillion of your cells are purified, vibrating at their true frequency. See every cell filled with light, love, and gratitude, shining brightly. This vibration doesn't just stay within you. It resonates with your lineage and with all of humanity. At the close of this meditation, send this golden vibration, this purified light of your cells, to the land where you live, to your country, to the world. An indescribable, beautiful light radiates from you. It is the brilliance of life, present in every living being. Finally, take one more slow, deep breath, and feel the presence of yourself, here and now. Thank you for coming this far. Listen to this meditation again and again, allowing your cells to keep purifying. In time, ancestral karma will be healed, and your natural happiness and health will return. Together, let's share this happiness with the world. On this channel, I share meditations and healing content to support both your mind and body. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. And let's continue this healing journey together. So now, off you go, back into your daily life. And I'll see you again here soon.
May this praise bring you peace and give you hope for tomorrow.